Nathan again, and this is an update that we've released within Notifier. I've been using it a lot personally, and I haven't really told anyone about it because I've just been playing around with it myself. So I just thought I'll give a little walkthrough of how you can add personalization into any pop-ups within Notifier, and how you can sort of push acquisition channels to best sort of utilize these tools. So as I said, Notifier now has like built-in support for personalization merge tags. So similar to what you might use in a email automation tool, for example. If you're sending an email, you can put in a custom first name, custom website, any custom parameters that you want. We'll now support anything that you want. So you can just wrap it in an open bracket exclamation mark and then put whatever tag you want, and we'll be able to display that. So as you can see here, I've put 90 days free first name, and I've said, hi first name, here's a 90-day free trial for you and your team at website. So this will display the first name and the website of the user. We're currently working on releasing like a sort of lightweight CRM where all this data will actually be stored, so it will work automatically on returning visitors. But for now, the way that I've been using it is both on LinkedIn, and I'll give you an example of how you can use it in your email automation tool as well. So this will work on anything. I use Intercom for sending emails, but if you're using MailChimp, SendGrid, whatever it may be, this will work just as well. So we're going to be using different parameters within the URL. So this isn't actually visible to the user, so they don't know that we're doing this. So I can put first name equals Nathan. I can put then, what was our other parameter? Website. So whatever you've added in the middle here, you just need to attach that to the URL and we will pull the data from there. So I can then do website equals, what do we want to do? We can do notifier.io. But to make it more personal, what I would actually do is we would use like the merge tags from here. So I would put in first name, so that's going to be dynamically put into everyone that we send to, if that makes sense. So within our like email automation tool or whatever we're doing, any parameters that we put in will then display on Notifier. So I can put in like total hits, I can put in monthly usage, whatever data I have here, I can put in their city, last time they were seen. Anything that is in here will be displayed in the Notifier pop-up. I'm just going to send this email to myself, and I haven't actually got any data on myself, so I can't do it in this example, but essentially you would just paste from here again with MailChimp, SendGrid, anything like that. It's going to be like the same setup. So you would just enter that, and I think that's done. Yeah, so that's exactly what I meant. So it's now hidden within, because every person is going to be sent a custom link, right? If that makes sense. So it's now hidden, so the user can't actually see that we've personalized this link for them. And you can do this on any platform. On email, it works really well. I'm also doing it on LinkedIn Outreach. Which also works very well, but you could do essentially on any platform. As long as you can pass URL parameters through, you can get it to display whatever you want. So let me just find out how I can send a test. Edit. Testing this email. Okay, so I'm going to run send test email. Come into support, and we've got a test email here. So now if I click through this on this link, just wait for it to load, and have I closed? So just wait for it to load. Then I can go ahead and open, and here we have 90 days free, Nathan. Hi Nathan, here's 90 days free trial for you and your team at Notifier. And again, like you can, if you're dynamically sending this out to thousands of people, like let's say we wanted to reach out to like Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook, if we go ahead and do this, it will then print whatever name we want it to. I think I've just closed that widget actually. Ah, here we go. 90 days, Mark. Sorry, it's just waiting for our website to finish loading. 90 days. Hi, Mark. Here's 90-day free trial for you and your team at Facebook. So this actually works in any widget within Notifier. I'm just giving you an example on the coupon code pop-up, but you can attach it onto like automated messages for onboarding into any tool that any of our plugins that you want to add it to. It will work, and you can very easily add personalization anywhere. So I think this is really cool for like SaaS platforms. And just while we're here as well, here's like a little SaaS line that I've been coming up with. So obviously like this top line, just ignore. I was using template text, but you would have like your pitch up here saying everything that you want to say, like, hi, we've just released this new awesome product. And then I've been getting increased click-through rates when I say, and I've left a gift for you on our website. Like that just sort of sparks curiosity. People are just thinking like, okay, so like there's a gift, immediately sparks interest, so they're going to click through onto your link. And then when you give them a personalized pop-up that has their first name, everything like that, this like sort of little flow and funnel has just been working like really well for me. So I've been using it a lot over email and LinkedIn. So yeah, if you have any questions about using this yourself, as always, please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to help with any questions. This is now available on all widgets, and we've also got a lightweight CRM that is going to be released hopefully this month, and so within the next like 10 days or so, and all of your users will be tracked automatically. So once you've done this once, you won't need to have a URL parameter every time. We'll assign it to that user, and anytime in future that user comes back, we will automatically know that this is Mark from Facebook. So yeah, really interesting times, and as always, thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.